calcium, I'm pretty sure. Why not? This is calcium. This is also calcium. That's okay. This is calcium. This is also calcium. Yep, calcium. Calcium and calcium. This pretty much proves that calcium is everywhere. Let's learn a little bit more about calcium. Calcium is in the fourth period in the second energy level. This means that it only has 2 valence electrons to protect it. This makes calcium very reactive. This is why calcium has so many compounds. For instance, all those over there. There's the 2 valence electrons on the outside shell. It is also part of the alkaline earth metals. They are all very reactive and all have many compounds. The alkaline earth metals have the elements of beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, and barium. This element is interesting because it's the #1 element in bone strength in simple snacks like kale, smoothies, and your everyday mozzarella. It is also found in your bones. It is responsible for the care and strength of your bones. The one compound that I want to talk about is calcium carbonate. It is used in iron purification systems and is also a major component in the filler for latex gloves. Calcium carbonate is about 30% of weight in most paints. Chalk is almost pure calcium carbonate, hence the color of the chalk. The only difference between the colors of chalks, red, blue, green, you get the point, is the food coloring, and that's what they look like after they have food coloring. Calcium carbonate is used in manufacturing cement and mortar, limestone, usually used in the steel industry. It also has chemical and optical uses and uses as specimens in toothpaste. Before I say anything more, I want to explain what slackline is. Slackline is a compound of calcium, also known as calcium oxide. It is used in refining systems for steel, iron, and other metals like those. The reason it is important is because since refining the purest forms of steel takes 2 times around the system to purify it completely, slackline is used as a preservative. It prevents the metal from reabsorbing impurities. It also extracts impurities from the metals. The reason that there are so many compounds is because calcium reacts with oxygen, so it can combine with just about everything. That's why you can't find calcium in its purest form. For example, calcium carbonate combined with another carbonated element equals calcium carbonate. If you look at the periodic table, again, there's 2 valence electrons. That's what makes it so reactive. That means that it is highly reactive. So when it touches water, since water is almost all oxygen, it fizzes up and pretty much dissolves. It is a chain reaction and produces hydrogen. After all this information about calcium, don't forget, when you smile, all you're doing is showing off your calcium, so just keep smiling.